guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tara. So today I'm gonna do a quick review on the Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation. Late to the game on this, but I really don't care. I got it because it was $20 at Nordstrom Rack, and I do feel like it is kind of newer, so it was already at Nordstrom Rack. I don't know if that means anything to anybody. It was random arrays of colors, so it probably was just overstock. But I was like, all right, 20 bucks, I'll try a different foundation because that's normally not what I would do. Normally I stick to the foundation I use because I love it. So I got this foundation and then I tried it on and it looked pretty good. So I was like, okay, cool. Woke up the next day, I had a flight to LA. So I was like, you know what, I'll go ahead and toss this on and wear it all day throughout my flight, getting to the room, getting my rental, all that good stuff. LA traffic where people drive like pricks. Did all that, got to the room, and it looked all right. Definitely cracking here, all smudged kind of around my lip from drinking, putting chapstick on. My pores seemed a little exaggerated, which I was like, okay, cool, I'll just pounce this out because that's what I'm used to with the foundation that I use. Well, that didn't just pounce out that great. So that was kind of a bummer because I really didn't have time. I had something I had to do, you know, maybe even hungry. I don't know. I didn't have a whole lot of time there, so I just kind of wanted to get to trucking out to like whatever we were gonna go do. So I just kind of left as is and then just glossed it up and kind of covered what I could for the night. It says that it's long wearing, which it is. Waterproof, I don't know. Feels like skin, meh, as much as like foundation can feel like skin, I guess. I don't really know what that means. Weightless, it felt somewhat weightless. Not as weightless as what I normally use, which is my L'Oreal Pro Glow, but I use the Pro Glow, the very dewy one, and that one just feels like my normal skin because I'm very oily. And it minimizes pores. My pores did not feel minimized, but that I think was my fault because I used a mattifying primer and didn't realize just how dry this was. It's not the most dry formula I've ever used, but it definitely isn't Pro Glow, which is a very dewy foundation, which is what I like. Today I mixed it with my Pro Glow, which is often what I will do when I want a little bit less of a dewy look, is I'll mix the two because I'll never go full matte. It doesn't look good. I'm 35. I have fine lines, pores, textures, all that. I don't need to enhance that. I really, really, really don't. Smeagol's here. So I mixed it with my Pro Glow and I really, really like how it turned out. I'm still got like a nice healthy glow to the skin. It's not cracking. I can kind of pounce it back into place, which is awesome. So I do like that and I'll continue to use it that way as just a mixer. But I am a little worried only because usually when I use matte foundations, they tend to really, really, really break me out, like bad pustules on my face and usually my neck because I bring it down. So, I mean, first sign of that, it's out the door. It's just not worth it because those pustules, they're painful and I just don't enjoy them and they don't look good, obviously. I can usually get them cleared up pretty quick because it is a product that I'm using that's causing it, but it's just not very enjoyable and it's just not worth having like a matte foundation that makes me look 20 years older than I am. But all in all, I think it'd be good. Oh, I was gonna say also, I do feel like I had to build it up quite a bit. So it was dry and it was kind of matte. So I guess I kind of expected that full coverage right off the bat. Didn't get that. And I apply my foundations by using a brush and then pouncing it in with my beauty sponge. I did have to use quite a bit of product, so keep that in mind. I kind of go a little overboard with foundation anyways because I have a lot of red pigmentation and I have to bring it far down my neck, especially if I'm wearing like a lower shirt because I'm very red on the chest as well, and that's not a good look. And everybody's like, well, your foundation doesn't match. Well, I'm not gonna wear pink foundation, so don't worry about it, mind your business. I try to go for like tops that kind of come up, and thank God it's fall and I can do that now because I get tired of hearing it. But I don't know, if you're looking for a medium coverage foundation that is a little more on the matte side and that will last a long time and is supposedly waterproof, it might be, I don't know, I didn't test that out, I would recommend it, or even a mixer foundation. I like that I got it for 20 bucks. I would not repurchase this for the $40. I will say that, only because after about, like I said, 6, 7, 8 hours, I wasn't able to kind of like pounce and fix any of the imperfections that had come up. I mean, that is a long time to wear foundation, don't get me wrong, but sometimes I work 16-hour days. So kind of need something to last. And this ain't it, because the more I tried to finesse it after the fact, it just looked worse. So I had to leave it as is where my Pro Glow, like I can literally like put tissue or whatever across my nose, get the excess oil because I'm very oily, pull it off, my nose looks the same. Oh, battery going low. And then like around here from using chapstick or lip gloss, because I am more of a gloss girl, like I lose some of my foundation right here. So I can just kind of pat that in with my finger, make it blend back to looking, I don't know, normal-ish. So I really, really like that. Anyways, thank you for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you want. I'm new. I think I have like 5 subscribers. I'm celebrating with a little wine and Smeagol. We got 5 subscribers. I did beg everybody in my family to give me a pity like, and I don't think they have.